So toti zita rekuti Zim Danso wayarinyi?
Zita rekuti Zim Danso I think kubva mazuva iwayo those early 2000 rakabva actually from a website yakacreatwa nainzi Slug Youth.
So
and based ku UK. Slug Youth was part of the Three Wise Men in Anna Bobo Marcus. Vaya vekuimba Toto Chema kuna mwari baba. Yes. So akazoenda UK vanogadzira website yakanzi Zim Dancer. Zim Dancer ndo paishewa music yedu sana Sniper na Major E and Winky D vachatanga. Yes. So from then on, that's early in the 2000s. Yes.
Ko Rhythm compilations atangarini.
Rhythm compilations same way still. Kana ungotongori munhu anoita zvemangoma like inini anditi. The earliest rhythms I remember were Way Out Rhythm rakaitwa kuchitungwisa na T-Head. Koita ana Zaka Rhythm nana
makore api?
2002, 3, 4 kukazoitwa 2004 actually kukaitwa futi rhythm raBonslag rainzi Luxpin rakanetsa rhythm pamekana mphirisi
ranga masong api?
Ranga masong kunyanya ngari popular Darwin keep up on I want you rasta vijendo ikandinoita what is it? Luxpin ndakaisawo song ipapo ana Labasho ngwari pana Badman everyone na Daddy D. So that's around 2004 and Way Out Rhythm, and then ana JMP vava moti ana JMP zvezvenza ana Jeepers. At the time ngwari kushtukwizo futi vachingobika zvavaibika nemaartist ana Madcom ana Labash kuchitoitwa maclash kuchitotukanwa marecords waisi. Yeah, man. But time you in there is big celeb. But married matter about that.
So this claim yekuti zvakauya neChillspot, your take, motivation.
I do not know. I think later we might actually expect kuti Chillspot ichapa another statement. That's what I think is supposed to happen. Each have another statement as to what did they actually mean by saying could they brought about the dancehall culture, because the reggae culture itself, even in Nini, I'm considered one of the pioneers. Nditorine shield kumboga ndakapuwa na Cheapers for pioneering in dancehall. But chinechi chakabva kudhara kwaiziya ana Potato ana Yappy Bantan. There's a lot of people, kunomwe akatomboimba ndine karati ndokumanyisa ini ndakamana dainzani but yakatonetsa yaitori number 1 paredio 2000 ini ndisati ndatanga kuimba if not 90 late 90s.
General,
yeah man,
thank you for your time.
yeah man, with respect, salute, gunfire, shoot, military.